We had made it to Cabo San Lucas, a resort town on the southern tip of Mexico's Baja Peninsula, known for its beaches, parties, and sport fishing. We had just spent 2 weeks of sailing and surfing with our friends down the remote coast of Baja, so this all felt a bit overwhelming. But it was time to send our crew on our way and prepare for our next crossing.
Made it happen. Yeah, I love you. That was a blast, guys.
For having us on your home.
Yeah.
Oh man, love you so much.
Yeah.
I'm gonna miss you.
Oh yeah, dinghy captain one last untie.
Oh,
This is it, hey?
Your big moment. You've been training.
You've been training for this for 2 weeks.
what did I become in the 2 weeks? What was my
Oh, we were going through them and we came up with one, but I can't remember.
Yeah.
T had the whole list.
Deckhand.
The deck
Yeah.
cadet.
Deck cadet. Deck cadet. Yeah.
Okay, well, adios, Captain.
Adios, amigos.
It was so fun.
Yeah, see you guys.
Bye, bud.
Bye.
My son John was tall and slim, and he had a leg for every limb. But now he's got no legs at all, for he ran a race with a cannonball. Timmy Rood and da, riddle da, whack for the riddles, Timmy Rood and da. Well, were you drunk or were you blind when you left your two fine legs behind? Or was it sailing on the sea when your two fine legs right down to the knees, Timmy Rood and da, riddle da, whack for the riddles, Timmy Rood and da.
Okay, it's crew changeover day. We've got Kate and Tristan have just left, and our friend Mox is joining us for the next leg over to Puerto Vallarta. So it's time to get the boat cleaned up, ton of laundry done. I've got like 3 massive bags of laundry. So let's go find a laundry, what are they called, lamentaria or something, and we're gonna find someone to do the laundry for us. I just dropped off the laundry at a little place called Cabo Kiln. I asked how much it was gonna be, but she said she'll know tomorrow once it's all dried and folded. I'm not really sure how they calculate costs, but either way, I'm really happy for her to be doing it, so I can then clean the boat and get lots of other things done today.
That was a lot of laundry. Just the 2 beds? How much was it? 500? Yeah, he's just showing off at this point.
Life was hectic in the anchorage, and we found ourselves drawn to the muffled sounds of life underwater. Suddenly the sound of jet skis got quiet, but we didn't stray too far from the boat because, well, this. Okay, back to life as mermaids.
I just thank the Lord she didn't live to see her son as a mermaid. Merman. Merman!
Sorry, I mean as a merman. While in Cabo, we may as well embrace the culture here, so we jumped at the opportunity to go sport fishing for Marlin on a friend's boat who happened to be in town. Bombing at 40 knots with 1,200 horsepower behind us felt like a whole different world. It was Jake and I's first time marlin fishing, so they made us work for it. The clock was on.
Holy shit.
How's it feel? Yeah.
Awesome.
Now for my turn.
Thank you. Oh yeah.
There you go.
It's like forward going for the day. Yeah, ready.
Okay, give us some poles and reels for the gram.
Not a chance.
There you go, there you go. There you go. Holy shit.
After taking a photo, we sent this beautiful creature back to the sea. What a wild experience. With only a day before our next crew arrives, it was time to finish up our chores with a visit to the port captains, provisioning and refueling by jerry cans. It was time to leave this crazy place. Cabo, you've been fun, but I think we much prefer the remote adventures.
Who are you?
Fox. I've been sailing for about 37 years.
37 seconds.
37 seconds. Minutes? Hours? I've lost count now.
37 minutes.
On a serious note, joined Ty and Kayleen from Cabo. Flew down last week. Had a big night in Cabo. Still feeling a little hung from it. And yeah, we're going to go to Puerto Vallarta, stop at some islands on the way. Worked with Ty a couple times on some film stuff.
Was just riddled with self-doubt and constantly debated whether or not to even continue pushing forward.
I think I've been on this boat, 3 times, or stayed on it twice now. So it's
First
nice
time
to be
leaving the dock.
first time off the dock. Was at it in Campbell River a couple years ago, so it's nice to see all the work they put into it, and we're on the water now.
What other sailing experience do you have?
Zip.
That's not true.
No, a little bit. We were in Norway earlier this winter. I think the extent of my sailing experience goes to about Norway, and most of the time Halvard, our skipper, was doing a lot of the work, but we had a few good days out there and a few days this summer with my buddy Josh, so a little bit of experience, kind of know my way around a boat, but I think this week will be cool to see actually be
a part of it.
Spinning some lines and being a part of it. So,
what are you hoping to get out of this trip?
Honestly, I'm just trying to convince you guys to smuggle cocaine back into Canada. So,
Footy for the boys.
no, I've actually really gotten into underwater stuff recently. Underwater is my biggest fear, the ocean. But I like finding comfort in fear. So, hopefully Kayleen and I, Ty, hopefully too, get to get in the water and do some dives, see some fish, see some, I'm really hoping for some whales. So if you guys know of any whales around that you want to holler and tell them to come over to us, that'd be sweet. But then yeah, also too, just be off the beaten path, bro.
Well, you're on it. You're off it. I mean, here we are. Mox is a professional videographer and drone pilot, so all the drone shots in the next couple of videos are his. Thanks for letting me use the Mox. Okay, we're a few hours out of Cabo now. We've just been motoring all day. It is glassy calm. We had the sails up for a little bit, hoping the wind would pick up, but probably not gonna get it till tomorrow now. I've been trying to get the water maker back going all day. If you have seen my other videos, you'll know that I've been working on this thing for months. So far it's not sucking yet. It was working great until I went and changed the pre-filters, so I'm a little bit mad right now. So we're just gonna stop the boat, go for a swim, have a little reset. Swimming with 10,000 feet of ocean below you, would you do it? It was all fun and games until we realized we couldn't get back on the boat. We'd forgotten to put the proper swim ladder up.
Oh no! Here we go, come on, use those fucking muscles, buddy.
Thanks so much for tuning in to All About Spray. If you'd like to support us, find us on Patreon. Patreon.com/allaboutspray. See you next time.